Babe, I booked a getaway to Hinugdan. Are you G?
Really, babe? Pero it's pandemic. Are we allowed?
No problem. With S-PaSS mobile application, we can check what are the requirements and apply for travel permits.
Talaga? How?
Check this.
This is how you can get and use S-PaSS mobile application. Step 1. Download and install S-PaSS from Google Play or Apple Store. Step 2. Check for the travel policy of your destination LGU. Step 3. If you're traveling to a restricted LGU, create an S-PaSS account by clicking on Sign Up. You will need your personal mobile number to register. Step 4. After creating an account login and complete the requirements for your travel, you will need to apply for a Travel Coordination Permit or TCP when traveling to a restricted LGU. If you are traveling to an LGU with unrestricted travel policy, passing through areas with strict travel protocols, we recommend you to generate a travel pass through permit of TPP to be presented to the appropriate authorities when requested. Step 5. Check the status of your application. Wait for the approval of your Travel Coordination Permit or TCP by your destination LGU.
Wow! So, approved na bang travel natin?
Yes!
Buti na lang may S-PaSS.